Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to fold a suit. So I'm going to start with the pants here. So for the trousers, basically what you want to do is just fold these into thirds. So what you want to do is fold it in half and then fold it one more time. All right, and then that's about it. That being said, when you are putting the pants together, you do want to fold them on the crease line. Right, so I'll show you what that means. So if you look at kind of the front of the trouser here, this line here is your crease line. So what you want to do is basically make sure the creases line up. Another way you can do this is you can actually take it from the bottom of the trouser. If you match up the bottom of the trousers, you can kind of match up the creases pretty easily. And then just lie it on some sort of a flat surface, and then do exactly what I just showed you. Just fold it into threes here. So fold in half, and then fold one more time. And that's it. For the jacket, slightly more complex. All right, so what you want to do with the jacket is you want to take out one of the sleeves, flip it inside out. Take the other sleeve, flip this guy inside out as well. And you kind of want to have the jacket kind of situated like this. At this stage, you want to kind of put your hand in one of the shoulders of the jacket. And then what you want to do is actually basically align both of the shoulders together, if that makes sense. All right, so what you want to do is you want to like fold one shoulder into the other shoulder, just like that. And then lie it on a flat surface again. You can also take out the lapels, kind of flatten things out a little bit here. Put the sleeve down, and then fold this into a half. That's kind of like your best bet here. The reason we fold it inside out is just so the actual suit fabric on the outside doesn't get stained by anything that's in your actual luggage. And it just keeps like the shell of the garment really, really clean, because the lining doesn't matter as much as the outside of the jacket, obviously. And then kind of fold these two together and you could toss in your luggage and away you go. All right, guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments or send me a DM. We will talk soon.